Hello again, chemistry class. Back talking about our acid-base titration lab. This is for question number 8, and it's asking, using the answer from result 7, find the molarity of the undiluted vinegar. Now, if you watched the last video, you know that based on the numbers that we used, we had a diluted vinegar solution of 0.2 molar acetic acid. And so they're asking what its undiluted molarity, its undiluted concentration is. So when we do that, we have to understand how we began. We began with 5 milliliters of vinegar, and we added 45 milliliters of distilled water. So our ratio, based on what we started with 5 and ended with 50, which is when we simplify that ratio down, it's a 1:10 ratio, or we could also think of that in fractional form as 1/10 as strong. So knowing that that was our dilution ratio, we made it as 1/10 as strong. When we have this 0.2 molar diluted solution, in order to take it back to its undiluted form, we need to multiply by the reverse of that ratio. Okay? If we took it down to 1/10 of its previous strength, then what we're going to do is we're going to multiply by like I said, again, the inverse of that. Okay, we're going to multiply by 10 over 1, or multiply by 10, and that is going to give us a 2 molar solution of acetic acid. And again, that is the undiluted concentration, or molarity. Hope that helps with any questions you had.